Hi, this is Dr. Goutham, consultant nephrologist from Chennai. Today I am going to share the health benefits of two important asanas, Dhanurasana and Uttanasana. Dhanurasana.
For this, let's start coming to all fours. And from here, let's slowly lie down on the abdomen, forehead down, relaxing your toes, palms next to your chest. Now slowly taking the hands back, bending the knees, holding the ankles. And with the next inhalation, let's lift the chest up, lift the thighs up to Dhanurasana. Observe the beauty of this posture and observe the chest opening in this posture. Body weight on the lower abdomen.
Dhanurasana is an important asana which helps to improve the compression over the pancreas, as well as it increases the tone of pancreas and secretion of insulin, thereby regulating your blood sugar levels. It also flexes your whole spine and helps improving the flexibility of your spine and relieves back pain. It also increases the tone of other internal organs like kidney and liver and improves their blood circulation. It improves the flexibility of your shoulder as well as chest and improves breathing and heart health. It also increases the metabolism by improving the circulation to thyroid and adrenal gland. Next is Uttanasana.
So for this, let's keep the feet together, knees together, toes together. Inhale, take a deep breath. And exhale, bending your body forward to a full forward fold. Fingertips in line with your toes. Try to keep the back relaxed. You can keep your knees bent or straight, whatever is comfortable. Taking the forehead to the shin with each passing breath. Breathe normally as you're holding this posture. Feel the blood flow to the head region. And now very slowly and gently inhale, look up and come out of the posture.
Uttanasana, which is a very important asana. The inverted posture of your upper body improves the venous return and increases the blood supply to the heart, as well as helps in improving the blood pressure levels. It also increases the compression of your internal organs and improves the blood supply to your digestive organs. The flexibility of the spine improves, relieving your back pain, and also the inverted posture increases the blood supply to the brain and improves the mood. The parasympathetic nervous system gets activated, improving your mood and helps in relaxation. And also it helps in the overall health and metabolism of your body. We all know yoga revitalizes as well as regenerates your body as well as mind. Happy Yoga Day to all.